I'm so excited to show you the Stokke Clikk, their newest high chair, small but high quality. Hey, this is Ellie. I own a company called Magic Beans, and I'm here on Magic Beans videos. Now, if you have any questions about the Stokke Clikk or any other high chair, you should speak to our high chair experts at Magic Beans. You can email us at questions@beans.com. You can give us a call at 617-383-8259, or you can just leave a comment below. And here is the Stokke Clikk. Okay, if you've been following Magic Beans videos or Magic Beans basically from the history of time, you know that I am the biggest fan of Stokke seating. If I could sit in a Stokke chair, I will. It's great. If you haven't checked out a Stokke Trip Trap, you need to. It is an amazing product because it grows with the child. It's a long-term investment for parents and for families. It holds up to 300 pounds. It's a great product. But we all know, even though we love a Trip Trap, I have them around my table, still have them around my table when people come to my house. But sometimes you just want something light and easy, something that just can like live in the corner of your kitchen, maybe live in an apartment, easy to go back and forth, and something that maybe you can put together and take apart. So Stokke invented the Clikk, their newest high chair, a product that is, like I said, easy to put together for a little baby, great product, also small but high quality. So you're not sacrificing quality like you would with any Stokke product. And the good news in this video, I'm going to show you how quickly you can put this thing together. So here's the seat. It is the seat of the Clikk. And then we have 4 legs as you would with a product. Stokke puts little markings so you can know the right or the left. There's a little R to indicate right from the child's right side. So all you do is you take this, you slide it in, click. That is a satisfying sound. I love that sound. Okay, again, put another leg and click. You get the picture. You totally get the picture, and then you put the back legs in. They're the same legs. Click. Click. Was that a minute? I don't think that was even a minute yet. And then the footrest. And click. Something that I really appreciate about this is they did put a little bit of a lip on this, so the child's feet can reach against it, so there's still going to be comfort. You would know with a Stokke product, they are thinking very thoughtfully about a footrest to make sure, even though it's only going up to about 3 years old for a child, that the child's going to be comfortable sitting. You take your tray, easy to wash, dishwasher is safe, and you just take the tray and you slide it in. Click, that's right, Clikk. So you have a Clikk. More interesting things about the Clikk is that the legs are beechwood, just like a Trip Trap. Nice, solid, hardwood leg, super high quality, so you know it's gonna last. We love beechwood, very high quality wood. Let's remove the footrest. You can actually move it in both directions. So depending on the age of the child and how they're most comfortable, you can put this facing up or facing down. You're thinking, is this low? Is this high? This is the same height as a Trip Trap or a Stokke Steps chair. So the nice thing is, like I said, you can put this in your kitchen, put the food on there for the baby, or you remove the tray and you can push it up to a table any way you want it. It is an extremely light product, easy to lift, put in, take in and out, put around. I know my in-laws, maybe like your in-laws too, they like to keep their house super clean and they like to put things away. Let's take this thing apart and show you how easy it is to put that away. Just so the first thing you do is you remove the footrest, there's little buttons underneath, you just very easily remove the thing, remove the tray, and now we're gonna unclick it. 1, 2, 3. I can switch this. This is beechwood, as I said. Beechwood is the best. 3, done. Put it away. No problem. And you know, I refer to the Stokke Trip Trap. Love the Trip Trap. If you want to learn more about that product or see a comparison of the Clikk and the Trip Trap, you can see that right there in the next video.